Hey everyone, you're watching Circuit TV. Welcome to my channel. This is going to be an update video. So I recently built this keyboard using rpu1t t.v microcontroller along with KMK firmware running on it. I was trying to design a 60% keyboard for my desk, but I ended up with this layout. So my initial layout was this much, but now I decided to add these 13 keys so that I can access escape along with these 12 switches, because to access BIOS you need these switches along with delete key. So my keyboard lacked that feature and have to switch to the different layer, and while booting the PC this keyboard was not getting initialized for the second layer, so I have to redesign it. And I just figure out why don't I add these switches back, because there was empty space over here. So I added those 12 switches, and once I added those 12 switches I moved my media keys from this layer to this layer. You can't say layer, these are rows, so I just moved from this row to this row, and now my keyboard have 6 rows and 14 columns. So it is wired in 14 by 6 matrix layout. I removed one switch, like in the wiring diagram I removed this switch along with 2 switches over here. So in total I removed, I guess, 3 or 4 switches, and now this is like 74 switches I have used it. I don't know if this kind of layout exists, but I'm pretty sure this is convenient for me. So listen to the sound of the keyboard. So this is what the keyboard sounds like, and I removed the C port from these 2 brackets, and it was initially on this one, so I just moved it to the side. You can see I just shoved the microcontroller and glued in place with the help of some hot glue, and that's it. If you want to know more about this keyboard, then there will be a link in the description down below that will lead you to the playlist of this keyboard where I assembled and flashed the firmware. I kind of forget to record the chopping process and rewiring everything, but you get the point of this video. So if you want more of these contents, then consider subscribing. If you have enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.